Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find LCM of two numbers. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, we have imported the math module, which provides the math.gcd function for calculating the greatest common divisor. Now, moving on in the next line, this defines a function find LCM which takes two parameters num1 and num2. Num1 which is the first number and num2 which is the second number. And here this docstring explains what the function does and what's the purpose of its parameters and return values. Now, in the next line, this line uses the math.gcd function to calculate the greatest common divisor of num1 and num2. Here, in the next line, GCD is largest integer that divides both the numbers without leaving the remainder. Now, in next line, we will calculate the LCM. Here, the product of two numbers, number 1 and number 2, is divided by their GCD to obtain the LCM. Here, in the next line, this line returns the calculated LCM to the calling code. Now, we will take user input. This line prompts the user to input two integers. First, enter the first number and secondly, enter the second number. Here, input reads the input as a string and converts the input to integer and stores the input value in num1 and num2. Now, in the next line, this calls the find LCM function with num1 and num2 as arguments and stores the result LCM in the variable result. Now, in the last line, this uses an F string to format the output, displaying the LCM alongside the input number. Let's check this program. Here I am entering an integer 12 and the next integer as 14. Hence the LCM of 12 and 14 is 84. So thanks for watching this video.